going over to inspect and put stakes on. So if you want to be in the concert, you best be up here and be registered. Gonna be putting those sticks on the concert cars right now. Right now. Come on up to the staging area with your concert cars. Whoa! Nice! Yeah! Nice! I don't know who that masked man is. It might be Josh Jameson. I'm thinking the guy with all the colors that I can't read might be Josh Jameson. That might be 998. Oh, good job, 51. Jeff Barker took the 94 truck to the wall. Number 7 is out. Whoa, nice hit, 51. 51 is a big hit. Jeff Barker again. No, that's 151. 151, that's Larry Madison Jr. with that big hit. There's a big hit. Oh, nice job pulling up on the driver door. 12 was on the receiving end of that hit. Garrett Davis from Delaware also ditching out in with 36-2. Lonnie, and I think Lonnie took him out. Number 12, not running. Number 11, not running. Both on the clock. Number 7 is out. 11 and 12 on the clock. Lonnie Scott with another hit. Yeah, there's that guy again. We think 998 Josh Jameson, and he's had some big hits. Big hit there. 95 and 51. That is Kylie Scott. Jeff Barker, my man. Yeah, talk about putting him up. 95 is up on the wall. Kylie Scott, he ain't going nowhere from there. That was that guy again, Josh Jameson, that did it, I believe. Josh hammering some people. 11 and 12 are both out. 11 and 12 are both out. That would be Garrett Davis in the 12 and John Malone on the 11. There goes. Oh. That Kylie Scott is a young lady that's up on the wall. First time out. This is her first time out. She ended up probably with the hardest hit of the night and laid on her. You betcha. Kylie, you'll come back. It's all fun. You got the best seat in the house right now. Best seat in the house. And the guy that did it to her, 998, he's not run much since. He's out, I believe. 998 just digged out all those hard hits. John Jameson is out. 36B is on the clock. That's Lonnie Scott. There he goes. He's running again. Everybody out there alive is running. 6 of them. Nobody on the clock at the moment. Well, Lonnie Scott might be. He ran for a minute. Now he's not running again. 36B is having trouble. He's running. He hit somebody and looks like he's about to. He did. He's back in the line and running.